Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone is updated and the AirTag is in range. Open Find My, select the item, and tap the information icon. Once done, you'll see options for notifications and remove item. Make sure you understand ownership. Only the owner can change settings. You're taking the first actionable step now. Disable unwanted alerts by changing notify settings and pairing permissions. This reduces ping noise without physical modification and preserves. You now change the AirTag's behavior through controls, not hardware. In the Find My app, disable unknown item alerts to stop chirps when the tag moves with strangers. For your own item, turn off notify when left behind or define safe locations so it won't beep when you leave home. If you must use lost mode, understand it may trigger sounds when found, therefore only enable it when necessary. These steps silence proactive audio while keeping Bluetooth and location services functional. Finish by testing. Walk away, then return to confirm no chirps and make sure notifications are set as intended. If the AirTag still emits sound, restart your iPhone and toggle Bluetooth, then remove and re-add the AirTag and Find My. If problems persist, avoid drilling or disabling the speaker. Those actions can void warranty and break tracking. Instead, contact Apple support or schedule a Genius Bar visit. One troubleshooting tip: check for multiple owners or shared Apple ID. Conflicting settings often cause unexpected alerts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.